Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this topic training, you will learn about AWS EC2 Instance Types. EC2 offers a variety of 32-bit and 64-bit instance types. Be sure to choose a size that best meets your requirements. Standard instances. Best if you are running an application on a server and will have more CPU memory. Standard instances are broken off into M4 and M5 instances. M4 instances come at a lower cost but also provide less processing performance. M5 standard instances provide high CPU and memory performance and are best suited for high traffic content management systems, including micro instances. Provides a small amount of consistent CPU resources that can increase CPU capacity in small bursts. Best suited if you want lower throughput for applications and websites. High memory instances. Best if you have memory intensive high throughput workloads like databases, memory caching, and rendering. High CPU instances. Best for you compute level intense applications that will require more CPU resources than memory RAM. Cluster compute instances provides increased network performance for high performance compute HPC applications. Cluster GPU instances. Through the use of parallel computing power provides low latency and high throughput to increase application performance. High I/O instances. Best for database workloads, provides high level of CPU, memory and network performance. EBS Optimized Instance. Amazon charges an additional fee to use an optimized instance type, although this instance type is not necessarily required to utilize the functionality of provisioned IOPS and elastic block storage. EBS volume type for running persistent high performance and high availability databases. It can help communication between EC2 and EBS. Performance benefits can be seen if you are using high amounts of network bandwidth and disk bandwidth at the same time. Additionally, Amazon guarantees that when a provisioned IOPS volume is attached to an optimized instance, the volume will perform 10% of their provisioned performance 99.9% of the time.